Hi! Good morning. Today it's 26th of December 2023. Me, Niranjan and Nishant, we are going to have a cruise experience in the Carnival Splendor. It just goes Sydney to Sydney. It's just an experience. Nishant is very excited. Louder, please. Then give a smile. Give a smile. Give a smile.
Are you excited?
I am very much excited. See our little munchkin.
So this is going to be our first cruise experience. Hope it would be great. It's a very beautiful day. Hello, Nisha.
Yes, little bit sleepy, but he'll be fine.
That's our cruise. We will be there for another 3 days.
He's blushing.
We are finally here. Are you excited, Nishan?
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to have some fun, Nishan. Now we are in the boat. We are in the boat. Who wants to come to the boat? Who wants to come to the boat? Nishan, what's it? But, yeah.
Still no one.
Nishan. Nishan, are you having fun? Look at this beautiful view from here. Come on, want to play here? Hey, we are moving now. Literally, we are moving, but I didn't even notice it. Okay, ನೋಡು ಅಚ್ಚುತಣ್ಣ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Hello ಅಚ್ಚುತಣ್ಣ, how are you? This view is so beautiful and amazing. Stunning. ಅದೇ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. This is so beautiful inside. This is very beautiful. I never expected this to be this so beautiful. It is beautiful. I love it.
Do you want to miss?
No, that's not for you.
That's not for you. Oh.
So amazing, look at this. Wow, these are basically safety boats, and we are standing under the safety boats. Let's go.
That's the money. find out.
Lollipop.
Nishant, see, this is the lab.
Trying for the dinner.
Oh, thank you. Coming, baby.
We are having dinner by sea. Look at this outside, it's a sea. It's still moving. We are having dinner here. Wow. Wow. This is